Hi, Archer. Is there something you wanted to say? Nothing at all? Do you remember what today is? Is it Aunt Anna's birthday? It's not. What would you say to her if it was her birthday?
It wasn't. No, no, no.
You'd say no, no, no? What else would you say to her?
No, nothing.
Nothing?
Let's cry.
You're going to make Anna cry?
Yeah.
Oh, that's mean. It's her birthday.
Please, let's crying at work.
Anna's crying at work. Yeah. What are you going to say to her?
Nothing.
How about happy birthday, Aunt Anna?
No.
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 Well, happy birthday, Aunt Anna.
Don't say that.